Here we go. That cap should be on top of the drain on the downspout. Bedroom window archstone is damaged. No attempt to be made to repair that. It gets worse. Just wait for the next bit. Corbel on the front porch is damaged. Just wait for it. This is ridiculous. Just look at the mess of this. Who's done this job? I don't know. Look at that brickwork around the arch. It's not even level with the keystone. It's stepped. This all needs taking down and rebuilding. How has that never been picked up by the warranty provider? How have they let it go? Why does the site manager let it go? This is Harron Homes at Selby. Not very good. Look at the state of it. The hallway, the thermostat wasn't even level. You didn't really need a level to see it was out. Hallway again, skirting board and wall needed filling. In the understairs cupboard, skirting board hadn't been fitted there, that little return. Don't know who's checking these houses. Dining room, behind the radiator, all needed patching. This house has been signed off, guys. It's been handed over to the customer. They were moving in on the day of the inspection. Not good enough. These need to be sorted. Incoming water main doesn't comply with the water regs. Should be insulated with 25mm insulation around it and should be sealed, but not with expanding foam. Not good. Protection had been left on the plinth, but the plinth, the clips on the base unit legs weren't even clipped on. Again, not very good, but when you take the plinth off, look what we find. That double socket should be in a box or a wall, not under the sink base unit. The electrician put a box on, all damaged. Not good. There's a leak on the radiator in the downstairs cloaks. Sorry for the hurry on. Again, handed over. In the cloakroom, no grout. Bedroom, escape windows, they weren't tight on the seals. You can really see it. But there was a gap, trust me. So they all needed adjusting. Oh, there you go. That's the window shut. Not very good. In the bathroom, let's look at the ceiling line. Really need a level to show you that, you could have seen it. In the roof, roofers jointed his felt with a bit of double-sided tape. It's doing nothing. You can see through to the tiles. It's just waiting for water ingress. The extractor ducts, same old, no mechanical fixing, and it was longer than 1.5. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.